This video shows how to pull data from another sheet based on criteria in Google Sheets using the filter function. You can see a spreadsheet with sales records including order IDs, dates, regions, products, and revenue figures. To start, create a new worksheet where the filtered results will appear. Click the plus icon at the bottom left to add a new sheet. A blank worksheet named Sheet 3 appears at the bottom of the screen. Switch back to the Sales Data tab to return to the main dataset. Now you need to copy the header row so the filtered output has the same column labels. Select the header range A1 through H1, then right-click to open the context menu. Choose Copy from the menu to copy the selected headers. The header row is now copied to your clipboard, ready to paste into the new sheet. Click the Sheet 3 tab to switch to the blank worksheet. Select cell A1 where the headers should go. Right-click on cell A1 to open the context menu. Click Paste to insert the copied headers into row 1. The column headers now appear in the new sheet, matching the original data structure. If you find this helpful, please give the video a like. Next, click cell A2 where you want the filtered data to start appearing. Begin typing the filter formula, starting with equals filter and an opening parenthesis. The filter function pulls rows from a range that meets specific conditions you define. While still editing the formula, click the Sales Data tab to reference the source data. Select the entire data range from A2 to H16 to specify which rows to filter. This range contains all the sales records you want to search through. Type a comma to move to the next part of the formula. Now select the region column range C2 through C16 as the criteria range. This tells Google Sheets which column to check for your condition. Type equals quote East quote and close the parentheses to filter for East region records. The complete formula now references the data range and specifies that region must equal East. Press Enter to run the formula and display the filtered results. The sheet now shows only the sales records from the East region, pulled automatically from the source data. The filtered output updates dynamically if the original data changes. You can format these results to make them easier to read. Select the cells you wish to change. Open the text color picker from the formatting toolbar. Click Reset to clear any existing text color formatting. This ensures the text displays clearly against the background. You've successfully pulled specific data from another sheet based on your criteria. The filter function is a flexible way to extract matching records without manual copying. Try using different criteria ranges and values to filter your data however you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Google Sheets tips.